all the way. Hello family, welcome to my channel. It's Anna here. So happy Wednesday to all of you beautiful people. Today I'm going to open my number 3 in my advent calendar, and today is December 4. Hope you are also excited because I'm so excited, like a child. So I was very happy to do this every day, even though I thought that I can't, but here I am doing it every single day because I'm so happy and I am enjoying it. Hope you enjoy it too, watching my Vlogmas every day. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here we are. Here is the number 3. So let's open it. Let's open it. Wow, it's shadows. Nice. So it was very nice. Can you see it? This is what I got today. Cookie eyeshadow. So nice color, so cute. And now I know the purpose of the compact changeable that I have last the first day. So this is it. The first day that I've got is this one, and I need to put it in here. Look, so cute. This is the purpose of the changeable compact. So I have the eyeshadow that I have today. So cute. So hopefully there's still more 3 there that I'm waiting for. So cute, so beautiful. I'm so happy. So that's it for today, family. Hope you enjoy my Vlogmas number 3, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for all your support, for my family and friends. I love you all, guys. God bless you. Especially to my team Kapamilya in YouTube. Thank you so much, family, for your unending support to my YouTube channel. You are one of the reasons why I'm so encouraged and I'm enjoying this what I do in YouTube. Of course, my inspiration is God, my family, and all of you, my new friends that I have found in YouTube. So thank you so much, guys. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my video, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. Hit the like and the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I have a video, and comment down below if you're enjoying this video. Thank you. See you. Bye. I love you